Hey, what's up guys, it's me WHYnotBrix. In this video, I will show you how to extract the Steam fix to the main folder. Before we start, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and click notification bell so that you're always updated. Then let's get started. Open the fix repair folder and then extract the fix repair Steam. The password is onlinefix.me and back to the main, and these three you should extract to Dragon Ball Sparkling Zero build. So select these three and then extract two. Enter the password onlyfix.me and then wait. After that, check the file if the size is 27GB, and then these three you can delete it, and this delete this also. And then fix repair. Inside the fix repair, there's two file, engine and Sparkling Zero. You should copy or cut to the main folder like this. And then click paste, and then replace the files in the destination. Then okay. Now you can play the game. Click this and then thanks for watching, bro. This is the gameplay. Hope you like the video. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Click notification bell so that you're always updated for my new videos. And see you other video, bro.
さっさと本気を出すんだな。さあ、思いっきり打ってこい。やるな。攻撃はどうだ。どうした。貴様の全力をぶつけてこい。時間だ。俺は帰るぞ。
なんだよベジータ。俺まだやりたんねえぞ。
今ブルマのところにウィスが来ているんだ。用事が済んで帰る前に特訓の約束を取り付けんといかんからな。
俺も特訓してえぞ。
よ。
We're talking about nothing. Then you said something under your breath. I can't take it. I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know